Hey student, how are you doing? Today I'm here to describe how people drive by heart on the roadside. Do you understand? And I want to give you a burst advice about people driving basa on the street. You need to learn how to drive very well so that you snag somebody's car. Like to roadside. Do you understand? You need to go to driving school to become perfect. Driving school like Toptech, transport and logistics. They teach facilities management. It's like training for companies where they teach them how to manage their office in a while, explain time for services of machines, making sure it's clean, repairing things that are broken, communication skills. They teach you not only driving, but they teach other things. So, you explain yourself and they'll teach you more things. Do you understand? Toptech is the most best school in the whole wide world. Maybe driving and it's totally wrong. You understand? You go to Toptech, they'll get you your driving license. Everything is perfect. But I'm seeing from your face, you are ruffling. What am I going to driving? Go to Toptech and learn how to drive very well. Go on, drive very well. Then go back and sell your Kpakpo toy.